Welcome back to the channel, folks. It is giveaway time. Welcome back. My name is Alton. I'm glad that you could join me once again. Today is a special day for one lucky person. You are going to receive a full metal kit for your Casio. And if you don't have a Casio, you better run out and buy one for yourself for Christmas because it is on its way to you. This is going to make a great Christmas gift for somebody, although it might not get there until after Christmas because we know that shipping right now takes an eternity. But it will go in the mail this week and you will be getting it as soon as it gets to you. We need to pick a winner. How are we going to do that? I posted a video a little while back. I said when we get to 1,500 subscribers, we'll be doing this giveaway. Tell your friends about it. I had 99 unique comments answering the question, the skill testing question. And this is a question you could easily answer if you've watched any of my videos to the end. Please like and subscribe, but of course I can't tell you what to do because I'm not your dad. You don't have to because I'm not your dad. I can't tell you what to do because I'm not your dad. And I will say that a lot of people came up with some creative answers, but the question is, I can't tell you what to do because, and the answer is, because I'm not your dad. I can't tell you what to do. I'm not your dad. Like and subscribe if you want to, but I'm not going to tell you what to do. It's not my style. Anyhow, a lot of you came up with some fun answers. Go back and check out that video, scroll through, you'll see some pretty fun stuff. And I appreciated all of your comments. But now let's get to it. What I did was I took a link to the video, put it in this great free app. It spins its way through and it picks a winner. I select unique comments only, of course, to filter out duplicates. And so let's do it. Let's set it up. Let's watch it go. All right, you can see it is doing its thing. It is cycling through everybody, and MazeCat44, you are the winner. So congratulations to you. I'm going to make a post in your comment. I'm going to comment on your comment, and I need you to email me. Email me, okay, so that we can connect and get your name and your address and verify that it's you and only you and send this beautiful kit out to you. Everybody else, thank you so much for your support. 1,500 subscribers is wonderful. Work really hard on these videos, so it's great to have your support. This is just a fun hobby for me as a watch enthusiast, so I'm really encouraged when you enjoy these videos. Have a very Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year. If you don't watch another one of my videos between now and 2022, I hope that you have a great holiday.